When you have an equation with two variables and the highest exponent on the variables is a 1, when you go to graph it, for example, if you put in, let's say, 1 for x, and you'll get 1 for y. If you put in 2 for x, you'll see that y equals 2. And if you put a 3 in, you will get a 3 out. If you go to graph those points, 1, 1, 2, 2, and 3, 3, you get an array of points that line up. And so we say that this equation is linear because it creates a straight line on the graph.